So Christmas is approaching quickly, and I wanted to share with you guys how I use FryAway to help me have an easy cleanup when I prepare my feast of 7 fishes. So I fry this fish here in this pan, and I use 1 scoop in the hot oil, and it solidifies the grease. It's non-toxic and plant-based. One of the things that I really love about this is that I don't have to worry about trying to figure out where I'm going to put the grease at, it's smelling up my house because I had it laying around, or clogging up the kitchen sink because I poured it down the drain. So you just want to take your FryAway. You're going to take out the scooper. It already comes inside the bag. Take 1 scoop like this. You're going to sprinkle it in the pan like so. That's all you need. And then you want to stir it up until it thaws. You're just going to stir it up, get FryAway. You can get it at Walmart.com or in Walmart stores.
And now you can see that it's a salad that I can scrape from the pan, pick up, and throw away. If it breaks up a little bit, don't worry. You can always reheat it, add more product, and let it cool down again if you want it to be more solid.